Hello, welcome to Section 2 of the Agile Samurai Bootcamp. I'm your instructor, Jonathan Rasmussen. In this section, we're going to get into Agile teams. Because, Agile teams are a different beast. On a typical Agile project, there are no predefined roles. Anyone can really do anything. And yet among all the chaos, confusion, and lack of general hierarchy, high-performing Agile teams somehow manage to regularly deliver quality software. In this section, we're going to take a look at what makes the Agile team tick. We'll look at characteristics of good Agile teams, how Agile teams are different, some tips for finding quality players. And by the end of this section, you'll know exactly what your typical Agile team will look like, how to form your own, and what they will need to know before riding off into battle. How Agile teams are different. The first thing to note about Agile teams is they really are teams, not silos. Agilists believe the best way to build great software is to have the people doing the analysis, coding, testing, all together on the same team for the duration of the project. There are no walls in Agile projects, so the concept of one team is really important. The next thing to note, which we touched on in the Agile in a Nutshell section, is the blurring of roles. When done right, joining an Agile team looks a lot like a mini startup. People pitch in and do whatever it takes to make the project successful, regardless of title or role. Yes, they have core competencies, and yes, people generally stick to what they're good at, but narrowly defined roles like analyst, programmer, tester don't really exist on Agile projects, at least not in the traditional sense. For example, take quality. Quality is a team responsibility on an Agile project. You'll never hear the question, how did QA miss that bug on an Agile project? Because it just doesn't make any sense. Agile doesn't buy into the notion that a single group or entity could ever be responsible for quality in a project. It just doesn't work. So everyone tests on an Agile project.